Alright, tysonndz is back. We're going to do box 5. Hopefully this one is better. Come on, Mariota Cracked Ice Autograph. It's the only one I have not pulled. Oh, Ryan Lochte, you are a douchebag. Oh, that's recorded. Uh-oh. Elon, the Bowman's Best, I have to check. We've hit a Schwarber Green, a Benintendi, a Chris Bryant, and a Lindor Atomic autos out of that case. So let me know if you still want me to check the price. Yep. I think Bill might hit a Swanson. Because there's a Swanson in the case. So, yeah. I'm not going to sell you dead box, man. Alright, on card, nice. David Johnson. That is the correct Johnson. At a 199. Rookie ink. 159 and 199. That needed to be a rookie ticket, though. That's a start. We got Amari Cooper, Kevin White, Matt Jones. Come on, redemption. Titus Davis, shiny for the Jets, 15 of 99. 15 of 99. Someone should do a Chrome Jumbo. That Chrome Jumbo case is going to be hot. Sammy Watkins, 32 of 99, championship ticket. 32 of 99. AJ Green on the back end. Nice. This does not count as your on-card either. Melvin Gordon, who should have a good year this year. Melvin Gordon sticker. So it does not count as an on-card, which is always good. Some value there. Melvin Gordon. I think he's going to have a much better year this year. Matt Ryan. Roethlisberger and Brown. Ah. Can I just throw this against the wall, Tyson? Actually, he's actually doing well on the as the backup for the Cowboys. So this isn't that bad anymore. Vince Mayle, should be second or third string tight end for the Cowboys this year, which is kind of scary. He's been doing well. Adrian Peterson. Hey, did you want another one? Did you want another one? Duke Johnson. Is that the variation? Let's find out. I think that's the variation. Yep. I think this one is SS. This is SP, Tyson, I believe. The smaller helmet is the variation. So that might actually be decent. Duke Johnson. DeMarco. Steve Young. Not a terrible box. Gronkowski. Terrence McGee. Terrence McGee. Philip Dorsett. Oh, excuse me. That came out of nowhere. All right, Tyson. That was your box. Let me know if you want to do another one. Oh yeah, definitely way better than the last one. But that last one would have been a little hard to beat on the badness scale. We'll take box 11. Tyson, you done?